everyone, welcome to my vlog. So I have reached Italy today and I'm extremely excited. So I'm going to start with my day tour. I've just checked into this hotel and will be stepping out in some time for a day tour. Stay tuned.
Venice, a city that feels like a dream floating on water. My journey begins at the beautiful Novotel Venezia Mestre Castellana, the perfect little base before stepping into the magic of this timeless city. And soon the adventure begins. Gliding across the water on a private boat, heading towards the heart of Venice, the iconic Piazza San Marco.
Hello everyone. So I have just taken a private boat tour to San Marco and I'm extremely excited to go to Doge Palace, and so I have a day trip planned for today. So I'm just going to explore a couple of places and it's pretty cool here.
And there it is, majestic, grand, and filled with stories waiting to be told. Walking through history at the magnificent Doge Palace, where power, art, and centuries of Venetian legends come alive. Right beside it stands the Golden Wonder, the breathtaking St. Mark's Basilica, a masterpiece that feels truly divine.
So I just had the Doge Palace tour and St. Mark Basilica tour and just had a beautiful glass factory demonstration where we saw how glasses are made. So it was such an amazing experience here, and now I'm really hungry. I'm just gonna explore something, grab something, maybe a pasta, my favorite pasta here, especially in the state of Italy. It's very important to have pasta, so I cannot skip my favorite pasta. So I'm just gonna go and grab some lunch.
Exploring the palace, crossing the mysterious Bridge of Sighs, and soaking in the guided tour, it truly feels like stepping into another era. But Venice isn't just about monuments, it's about moments. The colors, the chatter, the life at Rialto Market, where locals and travelers blend into one vibrant story. And then comes the most magical ride of all, a gondola, gently drifting through the enchanting Grand Canal. Water ripples, historic palaces pass by, and suddenly time slows down. Just when you think Venice can't surprise you anymore, a private boat takes us deeper into the lagoon, to the artistic island of Murano, where glass comes to life before your eyes.
So today I have reached Murano in Venice, Italy, and I have just explored a beautiful glass making demonstration and a beautiful glass gallery, and now we'll be heading to Murano, and I'm extremely excited. As you can see this beautiful view here in Murano, such a serene atmosphere altogether, peace.
And then to Burano, with its rainbow colored houses and delicate lace traditions. Every corner a postcard, every moment a memory.
Hello everyone. So today I have reached the most beautiful and the most colorful place here in Venice, which is Burano. As you can see, it has these colorful houses, colorful boats, and it's a very colorful place altogether. Completely serene, and I just had a lace making demonstration which was pretty interesting, and I'll be showing you around how they make laces and the designs here. And I mean, it's such a quiet and serene place to be, Venice. I'm sure many of you might have experienced.
Venice isn't just a destination, it's a feeling that stays with you forever. Keep shining and inspiring.